speech today is about Halloween, and my speech is going to be divided into three parts. First of all, I'm going to talk about the history and some data. Secondly, I will turn to costumes, and to finish up, I'll explain what trick-or-treating is. So, Halloween is a holiday celebrated on the 21st of October, mainly in the UK, USA, Canada, and Ireland. It includes trick-or-treating, fancy dressing, buying candy apple, bonfires, telling ghost stories, and all kinds of things. It comes from the Celtic tradition of Samhain, which celebrates the end of the light half of the year and the beginning of the dark one. It's also the day in which it is said that spirits come to Earth, because the border between the Earth and the world of death is really, really thin. So that's why people wear masks in order to prevent them to stay in the Earth. It is also the day in which people in villages used to recollect food for the whole winter. So the word Halloween dates back to the 16th century, and is a variant of the Irish term All Hallows Eve. So now we'll turn to explain the costumes. What make costumes in Halloween different to those of other celebrations, like for example Carnival, is that the main topic is scary beings. So we can see people dressed up in monsters, skeletons, ghosts, and witches. Although today it's also really common to see people dressed like TV, cartoon, or science fiction characters. So, to finish off, I'll explain what trick-or-treating is. Although it was set up in 1950 in the United States, we have to know that by the 19th century it was already set in the United Kingdom. Children go dressed up from house to house, asking for treats such as candy and money. And people willing to collaborate with this trick-or-treating thing usually decorate their houses with pumpkins, lights, and candy boxes in the entrance. So, although it's mainly an American and English tradition, it has spread all over the world now. So